I'm Davina.
I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Addie. We are part of 24522. Hey, animal lovers! A lot of these animals have been abandoned by the owners and are in desperate need of many things. Pets in Need is a special thing where you can donate food, toys, and blankets. Donating just one of these can change everything. Please help them.
Our troop is collecting donations to help the animals at Helen Woodward's Animal Center. Save an animal's life. Help a pet in need.
That's why we need you to do a big favor
favor
for us. Please help the